Live action! Quick and easy, let's go!
Stop. This is Trendy.
Trendy. Hello.
Okay. Hi. Stop. You're just going to give yourself more shit to cut out.
What? Try again. Smile.
Hi, OFT family. Welcome to this week's Trendy Dish. We are making crispy rice salad with my honey garlic chicken. Let's go. All right, so first preheat your oven to 400. I made my jasmine rice earlier today and just stuck it in a sheet pan just to let it dry out and get cold, kind of like you do for fried rice as well. So have that sitting here. So to this, you are going to add some soy sauce. Going to add about 5 tablespoons. You want it to coat it, right? So I'm going to start with 4. And we'll do 5. Let's do 5. All right, so 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then you are going to do a tablespoon of sesame oil. So this is more rice than the recipe calls for, so I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then, oops, wrong cap guys, wrong cap. And then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this onion chili crunch. This stuff is incredibly spicy. So if you use precaution, I'm gonna use just 1 tablespoon of this.
Full send.
Husband says full send.
3 more.
Incredibly spicy, guys. This shit will light your ass on fire. And then you're just gonna zhuzh it all around, make sure everything gets coated with all the soy sauce, sesame oil, and the onion crunch. And then you are going to put this in the oven at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes until it gets really, really crispy. And we will be back to assemble in just a minute. We are back to build our crispy rice bowl. So in my bowl is my hot, spicy garlic chicken. I have a recipe on our page that tells you how to make the honey garlic chicken. So I have that in my bowl. So I'm going to add some diced cucumber. Add that to the side here. Then I'm going to add some edamame. Edamame is so good for you. It's such a good source of protein. Add some edamame in there. And then I'm gonna add some avocado. Now the avocado, I put some lemon juice on just so it wouldn't turn brown. So get some avocado in there. And then the star of the show, the crispy rice. So can you see this? Can you hear it? Can you hear how crispy it is? So what you do is, get yourself a scoop, add it on the top, just like that. And then I made a sauce. So the sauce is 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, and a teaspoon or 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. So take that, and you just drizzle that baby all over it. That looks delicious, guys. Now remember that crispy rice is a little spicy from your onion crunch. All right, so, and just for another little added crunch, I'm gonna add some sesame seeds. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's give it a try. We're gonna mix it all together. All right, let's give her a taste. You see that, guys? Oh my God.
You're crunching syrup.
I know, it's the crispy rice. That crispy rice is so good. It's got a little bit of kick from that onion crunch, the saltiness from the soy sauce, and the sesame oil. You taste that a little bit. And then on my honey garlic chicken, that's spicy too. And then this stuff, it cools it down. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it from the sweet chili. Oh guys, This was a great little trendy dish. You've got to try it. It is delicious. This is a winner.
Trendy dish dinner.
Yeah, this is awesome. As always, guys, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.